Hi guys, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm repurposing a whole lot tonight. This is I think it's a 16 by 16 wood cradle board. I think it's a Da Vinci too. It's a little bit of a better quality. It is 16. Ha 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 ha. Good eye, Michelle. So, I'm also repurposing my drips. These are my drips from Blooms, and it's a pretty lavender color. And I had to add a little bit of the Multi-Pro to it because it was too thin. So I'm hoping this all works out. And I have all leftover colors. This is Matisse Australian Red Violet, Artist Loft Soft Pink. This is a custom color with pinwheel in it. This is a custom color, and it's Greenish Blue by Amsterdam mixed with Glisten. My favorite combination these days. And there's a lot of it still. I will use this more and more. More and more and more. Okay, then we have Behr, of course. Almost done. Whoa, Wilbur. This is Lumiere, and it's the gold, halo blue gold. We also have some teal from Golden. We have some quinacridone Nicolazo Gold from Golden. And for our cell activators, this is Liquitex Gouache, and it's opera pink mixed with where is it? Here it is. Opera pink and fluorescent violet. That's a Nikki favorite, and I can see why. It's very pretty. So this is going to be very Eastery. I also have a little bit left of this cell activator that's the blue black, and we have some gold. And this is Atelier Rich Gold. All right, here we go. So everything is being repurposed. Oh, this is impossible. camera on before I forgot. So we're going to swipe instead. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a good way to know how your style activator is. Actually, it's a Lisa Marvin trick. When you pull your stick up, you count to 5, and once it starts coming back up, springing back up to the stick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's starting to come up. There we go. That's a good consistency. Blue, black, then the pink, then the gold, then Australian red violet, some of this stuff that's mixed up with the pinwheel, oh, geez Louise, my special sauce, and how about some light pink? All right, here we go. All right, first swipe, pretty cool. I'm gonna do another. This time I think I'll start with the gold, then the blue black, then the pink. Then my special sauce, some ore, some teal, and that's it. Pretty cool. And I'm so glad I went to doing this. Jeez Louise, I was having a hard time there. And what did we start? Let's start with the pink this time. Pink, opera pink, fluorescent, then the gold. I love those two together. I'm getting gold all over my blue black. And the blue black. Then I'm going to do this halo blue gold. And some teal. And some ore. And that's enough. Starting in the center, because if I'm going to spin it out, I want to keep the ooh, the composition. That's way too you know, oh well, this didn't sell up at all. I might have to swipe it with something. That's really pretty. Do we need another one? I'm gonna swipe this again. What do I swipe it with? What do you think, guys? Gold and then pink, or just gold? You know what? Gold. Pink. Yeah, there's nothing that came through. And then just a tiny bit So there is a lot of dark there. That's pretty. All right. This is fun. That's kind of pretty just the way it is. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of white on here. Whoops, that's a lot. In there, I just want to get rid of the boo-boos I made earlier. All right, I'm gonna give it a slight spin. There's, I think, too much paint on here. Kind of digging it, guys. Let's go the other way. Wondering if I should put another little one in there. Or tilt it. I don't think I want to do too much to this, guys. It's, I'm really liking it. Finally. 3 fails. Yeah, I'm kind of digging it. I'm gonna fix this. Don't like this edge. Hope it doesn't crack. I had one that cracked. And my cousin said, why don't you just put gold in the cracks? So I might do that. This needs to be fixed. I love those colors. I like that there's cells here and lacing and none here. I really do like that. And then there's that one line. And I need to do some with this. Oh yeah, that's my favorite part. So is that and that. I'm gonna take you guys down for a close-up. Give it one more spin to see if there's enough paint off. It's still coming off. Yeah, there's a lot of paint on there. Yeah, I think it's done. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, finally. The struggle is real. Yeah, I'm liking it. I just hope it dries well. Whoops. I just mucked it up. Right there. Oh, Jesus. You're kidding me? Okay, there we go. It's not like it needs more paint on it. This Multi-Pro that Karen found, it dries pretty well. I've had very few that cracked, but I still have paints left. I can't believe it. Jeez Louise. Yeah, I'm liking this, guys. I like the composition, I like the colors, pretty much everything. And I'm glad I didn't put an extra one in. It's, yeah. And I don't even care that the lines are wiggly. I like them. Almost looks like some kind of dragon creature. All right, I'll be right down. All right, guys. Ooh la la. I'm liking this one. Third time's a charm. Yeah, I had 2 fails prior to this. Big time. I tried to do Dutch pour on some, isn't that pretty right there? On some scraped paint, and it was too thin. Oops. That's that Amsterdam greenish blue with glisten. So pretty together. I'm glad I used that hot pink. So this is, I guess, my Easter pour. I tried to do it on some Easter egg lilac color, but it didn't work out. But yeah, these, I don't mind that this line's squiggly at all. I like things that are not quite right. Yeah. The Australian violet is so pretty. I'm liking this. It's like watercolor effect right there. A lot of peacock cells. That's, oh, it's one of my favorite parts right there. So, Easter is almost upon us. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now.